Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to use the angle properties of a circle to do some work examples for you. In example 4, you are given a diameter and several angles. To do this kind of question, you may need to think about the number of points on the circle, whether the center of circle is given or whether a diameter of a circle is given. Now in this situation, the diameter of a circle is given, the center of circle is given, and on the circle there are 4 points. And also there is an angle outside the circle. So I'm going to think about how to use the exterior angle of triangle to move this angle back into the circle. And also, I can see that there are 2 points, point D and this point, I will later on name it as point E. They have line segments pointing to the center. So is it possible for us to use the angle at center twice angle at the circumference? Now in order to use this, you may need to join CE. Now after joining CE, you should figure out that you have angle in a semicircle and you can use exterior angle of triangle to move the 27 degrees back to the circle. Now let's do it. In this question, first of all you need to have a point E and it's not defined in the question, so instead of just writing the point E, you may need to say something on that. Like we let E be the intersection point of OA and the circle. Now, when you have this point, you will have angle point CE being 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle. Now you can find this angle to be 40 degrees by angle sum of triangle. So angle point EC, point CE, and C point E is 180 degrees. And you know that angle BEC is 40 degrees. After knowing that this angle is 40 degrees, then we can find the angle ACE here because we have 27 degrees together with this, the sum is 40 degrees. Now angle CAE plus angle ACE is equal to angle BEC, exterior angle of triangle. Now angle ACE is actually 13 degrees. As said from the beginning, we have point DE pointing to the center, and when I join CE, there are 2 points pointing at the same point on the circumference, that is point C. And so we can find angle DOE. Now angle DOE is 2 times the angle ACE. Angle at center twice angle at circumference. Then DOE is 26 degrees. Now at last you are going to find angle O dot C, and which is the exterior angle of the triangle OAD, and 2 of the interior angles are 27 degrees and this angle DOE 26. So angle O dot C is the sum of DAO plus angle DOE. Exterior angle of triangle. And at last, you know that angle O dot C is 27 plus 26 degrees, that is 53 degrees. Okay, so this is example 4. And in this example, there is another way to do it, and I'm going to share with you as well. Okay, look at the figure here. When you're finding angle O dot C and the center of circle is given, do you still remember we can also consider isosceles triangle? And when you join OC, you should see two isosceles triangles, BOC and CO dot. Then I can find it. BOCO is 50 degrees. I'm not going to write the detail of the working steps, and then I just give you very brief ideas. Okay, so these two are 50 degrees, and then you can use exterior angle of triangle. You don't need to. You consider the large triangle ABOC. You should know that 27, 50, 50, that is 127, then you will get this to be 53. And since O dot C and OC dot are equal, so you can get this 53 degrees as answer. Okay, so this is example 4. Okay, now look at example 5. Example 5. There's a diameter AB, and that means it may be related to 90 degrees, and there are some angles given. Now, if a diameter is given, then you need to see whether there's an angle subtended from the two ends of the diameter. And you know that angle A dot C is 90 degrees. And what you need to find is angle A boy dot, which is an angle in the same triangle. So in order to find this one, most of the time you need to find the size of the remaining angle of that triangle. That is angle boy A dot, boy A dot. And you know that is a 31 degrees plus something. And that something is an angle drawn from the 2 points boy and C to the circumference at point A. And at the same time, there is an angle given from the same points, boy and C, pointing to the center. So we can find angle boy AC by using angle at center twice angle at the circumference. Okay, now let's do it. Angle boy AC times 2 is angle boy OC. Angle at center twice angle at circumference. And thus angle boy AC is 32 degrees. And this 90 degrees is not yet mentioned, so angle A dot boy is 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle. And next, we use angle sum of triangle to find the required angle. So angle A boy dot plus angle A dot boy plus angle boy A dot is 180 degrees. Angle sum of triangle. Now plug all the things in. A boy dot is unknown. A dot boy is 90, and boy A dot is 31 plus 32. Okay, so you can find that angle A boy dot is actually 27 degrees. Okay? So that's all for this video, and there are some more examples coming up. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.